It's gonna be, you know, a nice, smooth ride, very fast, yes, of course. Over 100 miles per hour, at least 300 miles per hour. Really? Yes. So where are you guys from?
Here.
Say hi. Made you decide to ride this today?
That.
Have you rode it before?
Nope.
Nope? Okay, first time. That's a great deal. You're gonna love it, it's gonna be exciting. Even though it may scare you in the beginning, but afterwards it's just like...
We shall see.
Usually that is that way. Alright, guys,
So bright.
Are you both ready for this?
No.
You're gonna have fun, right?
I guess, maybe. I hate you.
See, just one time. Oh my God.
Oh, that's so cool. Why is he bringing us up? Wow.
Did you like it?
Yeah, it was cool. It's scary.